There you go. There you go. You need a net? Oh, that's pretty good. Let me get the net. That's a nice one, dude. I bet that's 3.
Close. 2.5 maybe.
It's too big.
There we go. Huh? Go away. Ooh, buddy.
No, no. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
208, 209.
No, he's not. He's bigger than the other one, though.
He's
Just not as fat. Yeah. It's a nice fish, Brian.
Thanks.